Morning children, welcome to ANSEESY Max. The question is given: if x cube plus y cube by x plus y equal to 7, x cube minus y cube by x minus y is equal to 19, find x and y. So here like this Olympiad and logical problems will be uploaded from this channel. Those who are new to this channel, subscribe the channel so that you may get the latest updates. So here what is given first, so pause the video for 10 seconds and check whether you can do this problem. Very easy only. We are going to do the problem now. X cube plus y cube by x plus y. So here we are having the formula x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square by x plus y, both get cancelled here, we are getting 7. So that implies x square minus xy plus y square is equal to 7. Let it be 1 now. Now if you take the second one, x cube minus y cube by x minus y, you can write it as x minus y into x square plus xy plus y square. So a cube minus b cube formula. So here you can cancel these two. This is equal to 19 given. That implies x cube plus xy plus y square is equal to 19. Let it be 2. Second one. So now this step is very, very important. So second one minus first one. Second one subtract from first one. So x square plus xy plus y square minus x square minus xy plus y square is equal to 19 minus 7. So here x square plus xy plus y square minus x square, open the bracket, plus xy minus y square is equal to 12. Y square x square get cancelled. 2xy is equal to 12. That implies xy is equal to 6. You can write y is equal to 6 by x. So replace in 1 now. Replace in 1. So y value will replace in first one now. Y value is replaced in first one. So what will get here? X square minus x into 6 by x plus 6 by x whole square is equal to 7. Replace y in 1 now. X get cancelled here. X square minus 6 plus 36 by x square is equal to 7. Send 7 to that side. X square plus 36 by x square, 7 plus 6. So here if you take LCM, x power 4 plus 36 by x square is equal to 13. So you can write a quadratic. X power 4 plus 36 equal to 13x square. So quadratic in x square, x power 4 minus 13x square plus 36 equal to 0. So here you can write it as x power 4 minus 9x square minus 4x square plus 36 equal to 0. So x square common, x square minus 9 minus 4 into x square minus 9 equal to 0. X square minus 9 equal to 0 or x square minus 4 equal to 0. x equal to plus or minus 3 or plus or minus 2. So replace this in y value. So what will get here? Y value will be plus or minus 2 or plus or minus 3. Therefore the possible solutions what will get here? 2 comma 3 minus 2 comma minus 3, 3 comma 2 minus 3 comma minus 2. So I hope you like the video. Thank you for watching Ions Easy Max. So if you like the video, subscribe the video and share to your friends. Once again, thank you for watching Ions Easy Max Olympiad.